Tile flooring. Pros and cons. Dear friends, tile floors are common. Tile comes in many different types and various levels of expense. Tile isn't a natural stone, though you can get natural stones in a tile format. However, the tile still looks sharp, and you can tailor the type of material to the needed task. Let's look at some more pros and cons. Tiles are less expensive. Tile floors are usually much less expensive than granite or marble. We're talking a big difference. While both granite and marble are great, it's hard to justify the extra money when tile flooring is so strong and can look so good. If you're a DIY or on a tighter budget, there are some great tile options for you. But this isn't the only reason tile is so nice. Tile flooring is ultra water resistant. Tile, unlike natural stones, is almost completely water resistant. You don't need to worry about drinks, food, or anything else that contains moisture getting sucked into the pores. Tile offers an ultra-smooth cleanup and hassle-free maintenance. And the tile can look good. Tile flooring is highly customizable. You can get large and small tiles and blue and brown tiles. You can pattern your tiles in a random array or build a nice grid. Tiles allow you to make the pattern you want with the color you want without being cornered by price or lack of availability. Now, let's talk about some of the cons of tile. Tile is not as exotic. Of course, tile isn't going to be exotic. If you're looking for something ultra-natural, tile will be less exciting. Granite and marble take the ribbons in that category. With that said, tile floors can still have a lot of character. And, when done right, they still feel very high-end and a big step up from something like linoleum. Tile floors are cold. Tile flooring can feel a bit cold. With that said, this is also a con of any stone or ceramic flooring. They won't feel as warm as carpet or even natural wooden flooring. However, these days, it's getting easier to place heating units underneath the tile floor. So, you might save some money by using tile instead of granite or marble, but you can then throw those savings into installing the heated floor you've always wanted. Tiles require careful installation. Tiles do require careful installation. They aren't a walk in the park. And tile is still a heavy material that requires strength and understanding when installing. With that said, tile is probably more DIY friendly than marble or granite. And, if you make a mistake with tile, it's not as heartbreaking. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.